Our colleague Jugal Purohit now joins us from Sirsa in Haryana for more on this exclusive Headlines Today special investigation. Jugal, I'd like to begin by asking you, our investigation has revealed that these companies still continue to get money from gullible investors. You're in Haryana. How are the authorities really responding to the fact that this is a scam that continues to take place even as we speak?
Well, Rishika, it's a shocking tale because as we were going through the case details, we realized that the first red flag against this company, against its modus operandi, was raised by the SEBI in way back in 2011.
Right.
Ever since that time, there have been different complaints. There have been communication between the SEBI, between the different courts. Finally, the CBI is stepping into this case to investigate on the orders of the Supreme Court in February this year. And despite all of this, almost 3.5 full years of continuously being in the limelight, this company continues to still operate. In fact, this investigation actually shows us just how they're still ready to accept black money. They're still ready to help you with converting the black money into white. So it's a shocking and a colossal chaos. It's a tale where the administrative mechanism, the law enforcement mechanism seems to have gone completely for a toss.
Jugal, just stay with me for a second. I want to take our viewers through precisely how we conducted this operation. Our reporters actually posed as investors to see if they could get into the innards of how this entire Ponzi scheme was actually operated. Here's their sting operation. Here's the heart of this investigation.
The CBI has confiscated Bhangu's passport and has questioned him for several hours. Despite this, the company's dubious operations continue unabated. Headlines Today went undercover to the company's office with a proposal to invest 2 crore rupees. Our undercover reporter told the officials this money was ill-gotten and could be invested in any of the company's ventures. Listen to the reply.
पैसा आपको चेक नहीं दूंगा, ड्राफ्ट नहीं दूंगा, पैसा को कैश दूंगा।
आप मुझे कैश देना चाहोगे? कोई बात नहीं, आप मुझे कैश दीजिए। कितना तक दे सकते हैं?
कैश दे देंगे। हमारी पार्टनरशिप फर्म में करीब दे देंगे आपको 200 पर समझ लीजिए। 200 पर 2 लाख या 2 करोड़
2 करोड़ से आप इसके लिए आप मुझे 10 दिन मुझे टाइम देना होगा। यदि मैं बॉन्ड दूंगा ना आपको, तो किस्तों में दूंगा आपको।
मतलब मैं
PSL का जो आप मुझे 2 करोड़ दोगे, तो 2 करोड़ का मैं आपको PSL का बॉन्ड भी तो चाहिए ना।
हाँ।
तो बॉन्ड जो मैं दूंगा वो मैं आपको किस्तों में दूंगा। कहोगे क्यों भाई? क्यों दोगे? क्योंकि इसलिए दूंगा कि 2 करोड़ रुपए तो कंपनी कैश लेगी। 20,000 से ऊपर कैश एक नहीं लेती कंपनी, या तो ड्राफ्ट या चेक। मगर हम अपने थ्रू, अपने माध्यम से, हमारा कुछ टेक्निकल फंडा होता है जो आप भी समझ सकते होंगे। इससे उस फंडे को अपनाते हुए हमें समय थोड़ा सा लग जाता है 5-10 दिन। तो हम उसको करते हुए और आपका बॉन्ड हम आपको दे देंगे। ठीक है?
प्लान वही रहेगा।
हाँ,
6 साल में डबल पैसा।
हाँ, 6 साल। और उसका जो कमीशन आएगा वो आपको कमीशन आपको मिल जाएगा। आपको उसमें मैं एजेंट बना दूंगा, एडवाइजर।
अच्छा।
और
कितना कमीशन मिलेगा हमको?
FD के ऊपर 6%। 1 करोड़ पे सीधा 6 लाख, 2 करोड़ पे 12 लाख। और भी एस्टे की बात करें तो आप यदि एक दिन में आप 1 करोड़ 2 करोड़ डाल देते हैं,
हाँ।
तो आपको एक स्कॉर्पियो कार गिफ्ट कंपनी देती है। एक दिन में यदि आप 2 करोड़ डाल दिए,
हाँ।
तो एक स्कॉर्पियो कार गिफ्ट। अभी और सर्कुलर आया हुआ हमारे।
अच्छा। लेकिन उसमें बहुत हमारी पहचान नहीं होनी चाहिए।
अरे कुछ पहचान नहीं होगी, आपको बोल दिया ना, अंडरग्राउंड।
The rampant malpractice being carried by PACL officials in the heart of Delhi. Our undercover reporter also took stock of the situation in nearby areas. Malpractice there too, rampant.
सभी पैसा मालूम कैश में दे सकते हैं पैसे आपको?
ये कितना का करवाना चाहते हैं आप?
मैक्सिमम हो जाए।
मैक्सिमम कितना? 2 लाख, 4 लाख, 10 लाख।
ज़्यादा
अप्रॉक्स बताओगे तब तो मैं ऊपर अप्रूवल के लिए भेजूंगा।
The story of black money of PACL does not end here. We are yet to show you the picture of those who have been cheated.
उन्होंने बताया कि आपको 6 साल में पैसा डबल कर दिया जाएगा, तो मैंने पैसा उसमें इन्वेस्ट किया, लेकिन 6 साल अवधि पूरी हो गई और मैंने उस एजेंट से मिला तो उन्होंने अपने ऑफिस में बुलाया और इतने तरह के कागजात मांगे गए हैं जिसमें पूरा करते करते 6 महीने बीत गए हैं, लेकिन अभी तक मुझे एक भी पैसा वापस नहीं मिला है।
फाइनेंस कंपनी में पैसा जमा कर रही थी, इसके तहत बताया गया था कि 6 साल में डबल पैसा हो जाएगा। जब डेट पूरा होने पे मैं पैसा लेने गई तो वो पैसा देने में दिक्कत कर रहा था।
Well, headlines today has been unraveling India's biggest Ponzi scheme. The scheme raised the hopes of millions of investors who were lured into the scheme with the promise of better returns.
Well, we now show you Nirmal Singh's web of deceit. This is the full report.
The CBI, in its investigation, has found that the maximum number of affected investors are from the state of Uttar Pradesh. Feeling helpless in Uttar Pradesh are 1.3 crore investors, while in Maharashtra, 61 lakh investors have been duped of their rightful earnings. In Tamil Nadu, the figure stands at 41 lakhs, while in Rajasthan, it is 45. In Haryana, 25 lakh people have been cheated of their money. Bhangu's Ponzi scheme raised the hopes of 1 million investors, poor, helpless investors, who were lured into the scheme with the promise of better returns.
I want to bring Jugal Purohit back in. He's in Sirsa in Haryana. Jugal, give us a sense of the scale of the number of investors and what they're going through right now.
Shiv, in its 5 to 6 year existence that this company has seen, it has actually captured the imagination of many across the length and breadth of India. It has investors in the state of Uttar Pradesh, or 1.3 crore investors in Uttar Pradesh, in Tamil Nadu, in Rajasthan, in Maharashtra and in Haryana. This is where in Haryana they have the least number, but that number also is 25 lakh. They have in all 5 crore plus investors. So that gives you an understanding of the scale at which this company was operating, in fact continues to operate. And out here we met many people, Shiv, who said that they were made agents of this company. When they invested, got some returns, they got more people. That's how Ponzi schemes actually work. Right. And a lot of people are now saying that they had put their lives savings balance on the in its investment, and now they have absolutely no recourse to go back to. They're in fact hounding us to try and see if we can help them out, but obviously it just goes to show the desperation that the people are facing out here in Haryana, Shiv.
Right, absolutely. Jugal Purohit will continue to track the repercussions of that story that we've just put out. Remember, it's a Headlines Today special investigation, and we will continue to track it very, very closely.